Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Yvette Kitchen. It's Cooking with Yvette. Today I will be making some achar. Alright, this is some green mango I've peeled. Normally achar, they normally put the achar in the sun to dry. Alright, but this I just peel. This is young mango that I peel and I bust them and I slice them like this, along with some grind, which is the black one. This is 5-star and clove. 5-star, clove and nutmeg grind up. This is 1.5 head of garlic, and I have some cumin in here. I'm going to use this and blend it up or grind it. I have some pepper. We call these pepper back home in Guyana boiled pepper. I have a couple mustard oil and mustard powder, which I'm going to show it to you as we proceed. This little mill here does do wonders. Wonders. Oh my God. Look at it. Wonders. I'll tell anybody, buy it. Less time, it kind of a parch the nuts or whatever you put in here. It kind of parch it while it's blending it up because it just get hot and you're smelling it. Ooh, Jesus. You buy this. Okay. See it? See it? See it? Oh my gosh, look at this. Smelling the cumin. Alright. I'm gonna stay tuned. So I'm gonna using this cast iron pan. I hope it could, all of this can hold in here. I'm going to try and see if it can, and then I'm going to use it. If not, I'm going to use another cannery. Let me see something. Yeah. Yes, it can hold because when it's chewed down, it's not going to be this much. So yes, stay tuned. I'm going to use a little oil. You must use a little of this is vegetable oil to fry up. Right, you know, now we're using this here for blend up the garlic, and as you can see, I got a couple piece more here. This little machine here doing wonders. It's just taking a, it's only to do the small amount. That shake it up so that everything could get there. Wow. Yeah. So this is a little bit more convenient for me. Now that I know that this can do all of that, I'm gonna put the pepper in here. Break it. Taking off the stem. But remember, the stem is just as good. The stem is just as good as the pepper. Tell anybody I say that. The stem of the pepper is just as good as this. Alright? The first time people see me blending the pepper and blending the stem, they never see that. Now this coronavirus coming here, all these different things that things could be used. Oh my God. I got videos of a lot of stuff that I put out there for a long time that people don't even look at. What I can use for when you get cold and all these things. I have to use my fingers to get this thing out, so please do not judge me. It's small, so I'm using my fingers in order to get it out, okay? Once your fingers is clean, that is important. See? I gotta get it out in that way. It's amazing me how you knock me off my feet. Anytime I come around you, I can breathe. Nobody Nick. I just wanted to. I'm not gonna blend this right out. I just wanted to just like crush it a little. I'm gonna use this stem here. All right. I just wanted to crush a little. Then I'm not gonna use my finger to take this out. This one I know for sure. I wanna know what church. I've got to know. Look at this. Woo. Ugh. It's got a lot of Alright, so now I'm gonna start the process. I'm gonna turn the stove up. The oil already hot. Alright, so I'm gonna start by adding these spices. Mangrine, 1 bowl. Optional. Cumin, yeah, garlic, this is a mixed spice, 5-star. Ooh, sorry. And the pepper. Ooh. Pepper go account to how much spice you want. If you want this thing spicy, you could add more pepper. You don't have to put no pepper in this. Oh Lord. What I'm gonna do is cover this down a little bit. Right? I will be back. Ooh. Mustard oil. I already put salt in here. I put 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna put some sugar to taste. Taste it. Want some more salt and a little sugar. Alright? Sugar, 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna put some more salt. Half. It's gonna be 1.5 salt. Okay, the next I'm gonna wait until they start to fry and you see the oil back and then it's finished. All right, because what I did, I put a little water in it because it will soften that this mango. It's not like the mango that we got back in Guyana. Even though this mango is young, it takes some time before it melts. Alright, I mean for the flesh to get real soft. And you can see a crowd trying to mash it. All this. So it's coming around. Yes, so look at it. It's got a rice texture. Normally, as I said, people normally dry this. I could have grated, but I decided to slice it. Right? So it take a little bit more longer for it to melt. You know, still got the flesh in it because I don't know, for some reason it take more longer for the flesh to melt. You know, so I gotta keep mashing it like, you know. And I use this. I could have used a wooden spoon to do this. But I choose to use this small spoon. But it tastes real good. I'm gonna give you all the ingredients and the amount that I use And this mango is 2 pounds of green mango. I buy $5 a pound. You know, this is what is keep it from not getting spoiled, the mustard oil. Alright? We're frying up now, as you can see. When this gets cold, I'm still mashing. Cooking it on slow fire, so it would continue cooking the way I want it to cook. In the next 2 minutes more, I will take it off. Alright, you can see I got mango seed out in here, because I like to lick up the mango seed. Tastes good. You're eating a nice little curry. Or if you got some channel, anything, you use this. Curry chicken, curry fish, dal and rice, anything. Some people eat this just with rice. Yes, tastes good. So this is it and finish. This look like mango achar with mangrine, 5-star, clove, mustard seed, black pepper, all the cinnamon. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you could be notified whenever I post. You can share and invite a friend. Thank you very much. All right, it's hot still. All right, look at that. They're bringing it close. Atchar. See you in the next one. All right.